Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at another whole house remodel, and what we have is a temporary support wall. We're going to be taking down a structural wall completely that separated the kitchen from the living room and dining room area. This is all going to be an open concept floor plan like we do in a lot of our remodels, and we've got about a 24-foot recessed pocketed engineered beam that'll be going up here, and we have structural work to do. This house is pretty much a complete gut. We're doing new electrical, updated plumbing, new floors, new sheetrock tape texture. We're closing up those windows, going to put a new window in over here, reconfiguring the whole kitchen, recessed lighting throughout the whole house. New raised panel doors, and then also we have down here new windows coming in. We've got two bathrooms that are getting completely gutted. This bathroom has had a lot of leaks. You can see all the water damage that's in here. So all this is getting ripped out and redone. We're going to put in our famous curbless shower system here with a linear drain, beautiful custom tile job. So this is all part of what we do, and we're in the kind of initial phases of gutting the house and kind of getting it stripped, and then we'll kind of get our game plan in place. And one of the first things we do is get this structural beam placed here so we can kind of get the open floor plan laid out and start working on all our details. So this is Paul with Golden Gate Enterprises, and we'll keep you posted as we kind of go through this job, but I wanted to show you the initial phases of it. We specialize in doing whole house remodels, putting in recessed pocketed beams, all the structural work to open for open floor plans. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. You can find us at bayareacontractor.com. Thank you.